Hey everybody, it's Millie with Crafting in My PJs. Welcome to my craft room. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If it is not your first time here, then welcome back. I love my repeat customers. Okay, so today is just a really short video. It's a Temu haul. I think that's how you say it, T-E-M-U, Temu. Anyway, I saw it on, here's the bag, Temu. I saw it on Facebook, and I went, oh, this has got to be, a scam, because I've tried ordering things on Facebook before that are advertised there, and like some printer thing, and they never came in, and I just lost my money. So I was really skeptical, but I've seen some other people have ordered from them and they got it in and they got their things in. And so I figured I would do a haul too. This is a haul related specifically to crafting, maybe scrapbooking or junk journaling. That would be my guess. But any kind of crafting, like paper crafting that you may do. So those were the things I looked for specifically. I only placed a $20 order, and that's what it was with tax. Because I didn't want to lose money, like more money. So I wanted to see what the stuff was when it came in. So what I'm going to do here, I think, is I'm going to point you down, but I'm going to leave you just where you are. And then I'm just going to show you the items I purchased. And I have on my iPad here how much they cost individually at the time. They run just like Amazon. They run lightning deals. They run sales. So you have to constantly keep up with what's going on. And the stuff is shipping from China, so it takes longer to come in. I placed my order, let's see, nope. I placed my order, oh, it's not on here. I think it was on the 15th, January 15th. And I was supposed to receive it on the 26th, which would have been Thursday. Today is Saturday. I received it today. So I received it 2 days later, but it kept saying your delivery is expected January 26th, but the window is up until the 30th. And then if it hadn't arrived by Monday on the 30th, then I would have gotten a $5. I could have applied for a $5 credit to my account because the shipment was late. So expect at least a 2-week window for things to come in. So, that's not bad when they're coming in from China. So these are the things I ordered. I want to get my iPad up and running here so that I can show you the things as they are and tell you exactly how much they cost. So I'm going to point you down to the table. Let's get down to the table and let's get going. All right. So the first thing on our order was this set of vintage postcards. And I hope that I'm not upside down for y'all. I think everything's okay. Just have to watch the light. All right, vintage postcards. There were 30 pieces in the set. They were $4.49. Haven't even opened them yet, so you're the first to see them. Comes in this cute little wrapping, which you could absolutely save for your journaling, and you have a tag, so that could be used too or repurposed. Okay, I'm trying not to break it. So it opens up, and inside are postcards. They're literal postcards, but they are vintage prints. Let's see. So there's supposed to be 30 of these. They're glossy. Oops, sorry. They're glossy. So you make sure, of course, you could always sand that and modify it so that it looked even older. The back definitely has a postcard look to it. So they are two-sided. Some of them, oh, look at this one. This one has rounded corners. So they're not really the picture. Oh, there's some pictures. What is that? And it's like supposed to be aged. That's kind of cute too. I don't know. The words on the back are Chinese. So I can't just tell. It just says card, honestly. It's not the Titanic. Okay, I don't know what it is. All of the printing I'm getting seems to be in a different language, but that's okay. Oh, this one's in English. There you go. All right, so Nice cardstock. I mean, it feels like a postcard. So that's really cool. Only had one picture so far. The rest are all just the writing, which this would be great if you wanted to put on the back of a digital. Maybe you print it out like, you know, a picture. So, all right. So postcards, those are nice. I really like those. I am a terrible returner. So if things aren't up to par, they most likely will stay in my stash regardless, because I really do not return things. All right, so next on our list, my iPad went out. Oh, metal, 20 pieces of metal mixed charms. $1.07, paid $1.07, came in this bag right here. They're all silver. I could not choose anything specific design-wise. And there are 20 pieces. So let's see if I can get them in the shot. So there's houses, and there's the Eiffel Tower and a starfish. So very common. Leaves, a baby foot, a sword, something broken, a broken piece. So did I get 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28. I got 28 pieces. Can't beat that. There's a little cat right here. So they were very common pieces. Nothing themed or anything about it, and very nice weight, and nice weight to them. It has the holes so that they can be mounted on something. I plan on attaching these to junk journal tassels. So that was my goal in that, is to have more charms. All right, so $1.98, definitely worth $1.98. Or $1.07, sorry, $1.07 to me. All right, the next thing was fringe chiffon. It was $2.99, and here it is right here. I have no chiffon. It does not tell me how much, and on the price thing, my receipt, it doesn't really say how much. I'm sure if I went into the app, I would find it. All right, and there's your chiffon right there. I don't have any, and I've been wanting to get some of this for use in my journals. It seems like a lot, so that looks okay. Not sure if $2.99 is a great price, but I'll go with it. And I did get that rose color because I seem to do a lot of pinks. All right, the next thing I received was 2 yards of mesh lace. So this was to have different, $1.79 each. And I did get 2 of them. I got 2 different colors. And so they're 2 yards. So 6 feet. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just, it has some glitter to it. It is about it's 1.5 inches exactly. Here's the black. This is pretty too. Funny thing is, I thought I ordered green, but I guess not. So the colored part in the middle is black, and then and here it's off-white, and then the glittery stitching is the same on both, the same color. Nice strength, nice width. Doesn't seem to be fraying a lot, or fraying at all in the end. So those were nice too. So 6 feet each. All right, hold on. I got to bring up the next one. All right. So then, okay, so it's only 2 more things, because like I said, I limited it to $20. And these were 100 pieces of vintage paper for scrapbooking or junk journaling. Each one was $3.09 each. I don't know why this appealed to me. Maybe because I'm looking for more, for smaller things to use in the journals. Oh, isn't that pretty? The band. You have to save that. Where's it? Meat. I don't want to cut that. I mean, I don't want to tear it, because I could use that in something. There we go. Isn't that pretty? All right. Oh, there's the... All right, so this one is rumored flower letter. Let's see. Oh, I guess it's this way. Sorry. Rumored flower letter. And it's just very romantic look. Oh, they're very pretty. The prints are very pretty. Yeah. Give you a flip through. I knew it was only like a 4x6, so that's not a surprise to me. 4 by 5.5, so I knew it was small. I really want them as accents in books. It would be great to make collages with, to add to your collages. The paper is, it's not glossy, and I would say it's maybe a little thinner than copy paper, but it's not super, super thin. Beautiful prints, though. Beautiful prints. All right, and then the second one was, or is, rumored flower letter. I don't know what distinguished the two. Both of them say rumored flower letter. Both of them say that. Rumored flower letter. Okay? So, but this one was butterflies. That one was like Parisian. This one is butterflies. And I know why I was doing butterflies. And as a lagniappe, I'm going to show you why I was doing butterflies. Why I picked butterflies. And isn't that pretty? Look at those. Look at those. Soft prints. Decent thickness of letter. It's definitely not cardstock, but it's copy paper, a little bit lighter. Lots to choose from. Not a whole lot of duplicates. In fact, maybe 2. I've seen 2 of some, but that's it. But not of everything. So, beautiful. All right, so let's see if it's at 100, right? I don't know why this keeps going. 100 pieces vintage paper scrapbook. So these were nice too. For $3.09, it gives me a great background or added addition to some of my things. Now let me show you why I wanted butterflies. So there is a creator that I am following, and she's on Etsy, and she's also on YouTube, and her name is Cara Brandon. I will put a link in the box below, and she does tags like at Christmas time. I accidentally ran across her digital kits from Etsy, and it was 24 tags of Christmas, and for each tag she puts, let's see if I can find it quickly, she puts a QR code on, just like that, on the digital that you print out, and then there's extra digitals that go with it too, and it links you to her making the tags. So if you wanted to follow along, you absolutely could. And so I usually do, and I may tweak things a little bit differently for me, but definitely. So far, and it was 15 days of gratitude, and so January kind of thing. I don't think I'm using it as gratitude. I'm using it for something else, maybe more memories, I think. And she only had 15 days instead of the 30 or 31 for January, but she explained what to do to get 15 more, just like print these again and then mix and match. But to be able to go through and have some step-by-step that you can still change around was great. So this was one, and here, see the butterflies. The theme was butterflies. So there's the journaling card, and then I put something on the back. That's day 1. I'm trying to keep them in order. I did start putting a date back here on the back, but I really am not. I don't want it dated. I may do day 1, day 2, but I don't want it dated by the calendar. All right, and so this is day 2. I added some vintage looking paper in the back. I don't think it was looking. I think it really is. And then it opens up, and then I used book pages to line the inside. You don't have to, but And then that's where your journal card kind of slips in there. Okay, so that was day 2. This is day 3. Oops, sorry. Day 3. There's another butterfly. It's like a file folder. And this is day 4. So it allowed me to learn how to do some different things like windows and such. And I'm going to go back and do all of the Christmas ones. I only did a few, and I put them in a journal I made for somebody. But that's when I discovered what it was. And so that's day, I don't know, I lost count. All right, and so in cutting everything out, I lost my big butterfly. There's a big blue butterfly. So I'm waiting for Instant Ink to come in with my black ink so I can print it. I have blue, but I don't have black. And then the card goes inside. Isn't that cute? All right, put that down. And then I think this one is like day 15. Like I went backwards because I did print everything first. So that's day 15. Again, I'm not, wait, I think I glued it in. There we go. I'm not, look how pretty the butterflies are. I'm not using it as January. I'm going to use it as a memory, kind of a memory keeper book. So isn't that great? Those were great. Those were Cara, C-A-R-A, Brandon. Look her up on Etsy, and then you can find her, or even look her up on Facebook and have a ball with her stuff. All right, so that's it for today. We're all done. So there, face. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. Hey, if you are a subscriber, thank you. And thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, think about being a subscriber, please. I can't say that word. Oh my gosh. Anyway, and if you are a subscriber, could you check and make sure that you're still subscribed? Because sometimes, I don't know why, people are getting kicked off here and there from being subscribed, and they have to resubscribe. And as always, a thumbs up. And have you ordered anything from Temu? And if you have, what was your experience? Were you okay with it? Was the shipping too long? Was the quality of your items all right? So far, I'm okay with it. All right, that's it, guys. Y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.